Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create this type of animation using pure HTML and CSS only. So video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with programming videos like this. Let's start. So friends, first of all you can see that we have our index.html file, and here we have to create a basic HTML structure. This is our style.css, and next we have to include this CSS file to our HTML. So I will type here style.css. Next we have to create a div with class container, and then create a p element and type here data loading. Inside this p element we have to create another div with class underline, and then simply create a span element inside this underline class div. So we have done with our HTML code. Now open the style.css. So I have make my screen in a split mode so you can see the output without any delay. Inside the style.css we have to type star, padding 0, margin 0, box sizing border box. I will hide the sidebar. Next type here background color, this color code and color white. Next from index.html copy this body element and paste here, and then type display flex. First of all I have to refresh this page so you can see the output, and then we have to type align item center, justify content center and minimum height 100 vh. Basically these four properties will make our this complete container div exactly at the center position of screen. Next we have to copy this underline class and paste here with a dot and type width 100 pixel. Now we are designing our underline. Height 3 pixel, background color this color code, margin top 3 pixel, border radius 3 pixel, position relative and overflow hidden. So first of all I will comment this property so you can see what is the purpose of this CSS property. Next we have to copy this underline class and paste here, and then from our HTML code copy this span element and paste this element here after a space. Next type here width 7 pixel, background color this color code, position absolute, left 10 pixel, height 100% and border radius 3 pixel. So currently we have this output. Now we have to create an animation for this inner span element. To create an animation, first of all just type here @ keyframes. Here I will type my animation name like moving, type 0%, and here I have to type left -20 pixel. Basically this is the starting position of our animation, and next we have to write the endpoint which is 100%, and we have to give this CSS property left 100%, and finally we have to give this animation to our this span element. So just type here animation, your animation name, animation duration, linear and infinite. So friends, you can see that our animation will look like this, but we have to uncomment this overflow hidden property so user can see this moving element only inside this line bar. So friends, I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question you can ask us in the comment section, and hit the like button if video was helpful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web designing. And finally, thanks for watching.